Valencia is one of Spain's most dynamic, forward-thinking and cosmopolitan cities. It is the third largest city in the country and has a history, culture and nightlife to rival the greatest cities in Europe. The city has a significant cultural heritage, being the former capital of the Kingdom of Valencia. Magnificent history monuments reflect the story of a rich merchant and aristocratic past, such as the 15th century Silk Exchange, the 18th century Marquis Palace and the Museum of Fine Arts. Valencia is very proud of its dedication to forward-thinking architecture and cultural projects. Tourists may visit Valencia's City of Arts and Sciences on the outskirts of Valencia to explore a cutting-edge world of arts and sciences. It is one of Europe's most spectacular cultural and scientific exposition centers. The world-famous City of Arts and Sciences has to be seen to be believed. The complex covers a 2-kilometer stretch of Turia River and has numerous spectacular examples of avant-garde architecture created by architects Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela. The Ciudad complex is divided into 6 sections. The hemispheric IMAX cinema, which also serves as planetarium. The umbilical landscaped area with excellent views. The Museo de las Ciencias, an interactive museum with exhibits about science, the environment and technology. The Oceanographic, Europe's largest aquarium, the Palau de las Arts Opera House and the Lagora concert space. The majority of your time in Valencia will most likely be spent in the old town, El Carmen. This neighborhood is home to significant structures such as the cathedral, the Art Deco food market and the ceramics museum. It's also the place to go if you want to take advantage of Valencia's well-known shopping possibilities. If you're looking for a night on the tiles, the small streets surrounding the cathedral are packed with small pubs, tapas joints and clubs. If you want to relax in the great outdoors, the city is also a good place to explore. Not only does it have 13 kilometers of goldy sandy beaches, but it also has parks and gardens around the city that provide calm and beauty. The River Turia's riverbed has been dried out, and it now offers 9 kilometers of parks and botanical gardens that run directly through the city's center. The Valencia Biopark is a zoo unlike any other, intended to transport visitors to the heart of Africa. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.